Hey guys, you see the way I'm holding this book now? You see, everything that is written on the cover of this book is upside down, as you can see now. So that is a mistake I have found out in some videos, that some people have to present book like this or something like this, like a document or a newspaper report to their viewers. Then when you're presenting it like this, it will be hard for the person to read what is written on this book. Because you know, if you're recording your video with the front view camera of your phone, so anything you're showing in front of the camera to your viewers like this would definitely be upside down. So, but there is a tool in Capcut you can use to position this in the right position. As you can see me now, holding the same book in the right position. So let me show you how to do it in Capcut. So let's go. So go to your phone and launch Capcut. So tap on new projects. Bring in the video you recorded with the book cover presentation. So as you can see, this is not the video. You see the way I'm holding this book now? You can see that the inscription on the cover of that book is upside down. Now I am going to show you how to change this to be in the normal format so that any person that is viewing your video can be able to read what is written on the book cover. So to do that, tap on the video here in the timeline to select it. Then scroll down from the toolbox here and go to edit. Tap on edit. So now you're going to tap on mirror. Tap on mirror. You can see now that the inscription on the book cover has now turned to the normal format. Now it will be easier for you to read, okay? So peace. Enjoy guys and see you in the next videos. Follow me for more tips.